Say hi!
Hi, Peppy!
Hi! Hello! Teko, let me smell you. Lumapit siya. Magpa-smell siya. Oh, sing-sing na naman siya. Good morning, everyone! Ayan. Oh, nagpapa-music si sis. Hindi ko na-close yung vlog kagabi. But, yeah, today is Sunday. Nakaligo na ang lahat. Yung dalawang boys na lang hinintay namin. Say hi!
Hi, Peppy!
Hi! Hello! Teko, let me smell you. Lumapit siya. Magpa-smell siya. Oh, sing-sing na naman siya. Later, see you later, kuya. Alis lang kami. Punta kami doon kila Brad. Kasi hindi pa namin napuntahan yung biniling bahay ni Brad. Tapos na kami bumisita doon sa unit ni Brad. Meron pa silang tinatapos doon nila Auntie Mal yung sa kitchen. Ngayon, papunta kami ng Harbor Town. Then, imimit namin dito si Mers. And today pala yung daylight saving, guys. So, nabawasan kami ng 1 oras na tulog. Kasi more daylight. So, dapat 10:41 dito sa car yung oras. Pero sa phone is 11:34 na. So, dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa parking ng Harbor Town. Daming tao na naman. Siyempre, Harbor Town to. Hinintay lang namin si Mers kasi 5 minutes away lang sila. And yung mga bata pumunta ng McDonald's para kumuha ng Grimace shake. Para lang naman strawberry shake.
Yeah.
Just,
Let him
I want to try too, so let it go.
Here,
Let
Dad.
it go.
Here, Dad. Here.
Let it-
Zachary.
Well, I'll get it.
Tastes like that.
Hindi mo si Jay. Inaasal na si Zach. Is it like?
Not bad grimmer, is it?
Dad, you're gonna go like
Yeah, can you?
Hey, Holly, can try yours.
Can Kuya Zach
Hurry
at
up.
TJ try?
inside?
Okay.
Favorite niyang shoes yan ngayon, oh. Yung nabili. Where did we get that from? Philippines, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Asa kay si Mercy? Naiwan ko yung shades ko sa bahay. Lahat ng shades. Wala tayong shades sa sa car. Pasok na sila sa Quicksilver. Bago to, hindi ko to nakita last time na pumunta kayo dito. Matagal na rin yun. May Fairfloss station na sila dito. Tsaka hotdog, oh. Oh, hotdog. Wala na yung yung sushi bar dito. It's gone. Ito nang meron. Gongcha.
Mom, when this is open, you're
Bago
buying
to.
me some.
Ha?
When this is open, you're getting me some.
Ha? Yeah, andito yung aking luggage. Ang daming ginagawa dito. Ayan, no, meron din sila ditong bagong gagawin. Nandito pa si sis. Naririnig niya ako. Hi, Ben! Wow! This is the news?
No, it's very
Ito yung bago nila. Oh, nice!
Canberra, Mexican.
Yeah.
Tagarin nyo na hanggang Tuesday.
Ang kasi sa Tuesday ang opening, alis kami Monday. Ayan. This is the new one, Kuya. I think Kuya, you loved it. You like, yeah, he likes this. Kasi nakita niya may hotdog. May hotdog kasi doon. Ang heavy, para yung lefusing,
Friends sa Canberra.
Mas malaki kaysa Subway.
Ito yung pinakamalaki namin.
Ito.
She has to
So,
Ano ba to dati? Ano to dati?
9 West.
Ah, oo nga no. Kaya,
So, there's the walk-in chiller lang. Walk-in chiller.
walang freezer kasi all fresh.
Yeah.
Ah. If you're hot, you can come here.
When you're cutting onions,
Ando na si Johnny Boy, oh. Nagtutour din siya doon. Go. Punta kami ng Subway. Nag-order na pala tayo. Pizza sauce. You like it? Yeah. Si Mers na nag-order sa kanya. You like that? Okay. Yeah, hot dog. Yeah, marinara sauce. You like the bread? I choose the bread. Italian herbs. Yeah, I order you hot dog. Just in case you might be hungry. Yung ano nga to sa akin, sis?
chicken classic with pepperoni.
Chicken classic with pepperoni. Cookie gusto niya? Si Holly hot dog.
Si Holly hot.
Punta sila ng Underama. Andun na sila, oh. Medyas. Ito yung nabili nila, oh.
We'll go and cut them those.
Yeah, we're just gonna get some cookies. Boys na Kathmandu. Ayun. May nakita siyang orange. Ayun.
Orange?
Hindi, wala. Siguro ibang kulay. Black na lang, no? You find any, han? Gusto niyang bilan si Holly. Bahala sila. Si Sak gusto. Mayroon si Holly gusto. Kaso 300. Ayaw ni Sak ipakwa kasi ang mahal. Tawa kayo ng tawa. It's 300. Akala mo siya magbabayad. Yeah, that one is alright because she's gonna grow.
Gusto ko yung mga light nila.
Yan.
I don't think that one doesn't have a hoodie.
Oh, there's no hoodie? You have to get the one with the hoodie, Han. Pero baka litan niya na agad.
Size up.
Han, upsize, Han.
Oh, that's the biggest.
Is this the biggest? But she's gonna grow.
It's just the right one. Right size for her.
Okay. Next year, I don't think she's gonna fit.
Yeah.
Yan na lang. Size 10.
Size
9. 6. Women's size 6 si Holly. Kasi yun sobrang parang lalakyan na agad ni Holly. 200 yung sa kids. Tapos sa women, 219. So parang 300 din siya.
Bilis kasi nila.
Oh, bilis. Yeah, I like this better, huh? Is it massive? It's alright. It's just for winter. That's right.
Size 6 yan eh.
No.
That's a 6 in wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that one? That's alright, huh? Because she's gonna grow. Yeah. Let me see the hoodie, Baba. See?
Oh, it'll be warm in that one. Raw good.
I can borrow too. No, I'm size 12. I know. I don't have Kathmandu.
No, she doesn't.
No. Gusto niya kasi akong bilan. Sabi ko, ang dami ko ng mga puff jacket. 400? 402. Oh, diba? Let me see, Han. You're lucky, Holly. 399. So, 400. Natatawa. Oh my God, you're lucky, girl. Yung coat ko hindi ganyan kamahal, ha? Po 400 na. My God, kaya okay na ako. Yung financial namin, yung financial advisor namin, hindi masaya. Namahala na siya sa 300, di ba? Ngayon mas mahal pa yung nakuha ni Holly. Nandiyan ko linagay. Okay. Alin? Suot niya pa rin yung regalo ni Tita Mers, Ganyan talagang style niya, bitin-bitin. Ang ganda. Intersport naman tayo. Bili sila ng pang-pump sa footy nila. Tapos na yung footy, magpapump pa kayo. We have that one, right? At home? Oh my God. Guys, dito na ako sa car niya. Punta kayo ng Costco.
Tayo Costco guys. Di ko alam yung bibilin namin to.
Ako olive oil. First time ko magko-Costco. Kasama natin yung mga...
Baka multi-purpose.
yung pamilya ko, nandun sila sa likod.
Diyan mga baby?
Nakasunod sila sa amin.
Ay, the one.
Ang busy. And siya nagko-cookies from Subway. Come on, wait sak. So dito na kami sa Costco. First time naming lahat dito pumunta ng Costco. Ako alam ko ang laman or itsura ng Costco kasi sa US ganito rin. Dito na lahat. Electronics, pagkain, beddings.
Yeah.
Damit, ayan.
Pati robot vacuum.
Oo.
Ayan, meron silang Starbucks na
Si Sak, alam mo pang hinahanap ni Sak? Takis. Takis for Zachary.
Ito gusto ko ito bilhin sa summer.
Sa summer. Yung slide. Board baba, There. Wilson. Uncle love that. Diba? Sila ang una nakakuha. Is that apple one? What's for daddy?
Next time I'll put you two in. Then it won't taste like water.
Yeah.
No prime.
Yeah, we go around there na lang like that.
You have to be in like.
Bulk.
Why can't you like get it sinking?
You can because this is bulk here.
You got the other one.
No, I like this. Smells good.
What'd you ask me to smell for?
Alright, let's go snack.
They're made out of vegetables.
Ah, this is yours?
No, no, no.
Sorry. Wala kasing original. Meron ba?
Original.
Sak.
But there's no original, only sour.
It's sour. That's good. That's I like the original, but that's big. I know how we're gonna eat all that.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
It is. That's the good one. That's the real one. This is
Yeah.
the cheap one.
No, it's not really shit. No, that's too big. Tita Merce likes that too.
I like UTI. Right,
Ayan,
UTI ka na dito ba?
popcorn. UTI ka na dyan to be.
That on the bike.
Yeah, the one that you can bring to your biking.
Yeah, but we want
No.
That one's
You can get that now. We don't have
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need that. This one. The snacks that you can, I know. Yeah. Wag mo. The snacks that you can bring. You have to choose now here, Zachary. Zach. Pringles. What popcorn? Oh no, you don't need that one. It's big. What do you want, baby? This is the snacks area. No, you're not going to get. No? No, yes, John. No, the prime. Holly, you don't need anything here? Wala na, hindi na sila mahilig sa snacks. Sus. You sure? Jumpy's Baba. Na? Ang dami, no? How about Jumpy's? Ano? Ayaw niya. Hindi na rin kasi ako ma-chips ngayon. Hindi na. Nagbago na ako. Char.
It's like Kool-Aid.
Like sarsaparilla.
Yeah, let's Kool-Aid.
You like sour better?
Sarsaparilla. Yeah.
No, you're not having prime, Zach. Hindi, kasi nga diba, nagra-ride sila ng bike.
This one's got a little bit.
That one, Han. There is a ginger beer? Where? Not all of them. Yung mix na ano, mix na. Ano? Higa ka daw. Parang may party ka dyan, ah. Sino gustong croissant dyan? Oo. Fruits. Ate, hold that. Pasok kayo dito sa cold. Oh, kimchi. Dito yung fruits nila. Ayan. Di ba ang blueberries? Ayan, oh. $20. You want? Ang lamig dito. Ano? Raspberries? Are you gonna eat it now? Can you choose something like nicer? Kasi, look, no, it's not. Look. Look. It's look rotten. This one. Ayan. Okay, get that too. Freezing. I got blueberries. Wasak ng raspberries. Oh, lamig. Muffin sack. Huh? The strawberries? You want strawberries? This is... You want strawberries? Kuya, you want strawberries? Alright. Huh? American cupcakes. Huge. Ano yan, mamon? Matamis? Sus, dapat nito 10 kayo sa bahay para makain agad. Look at this brownie son. This will be good. Hanap tayo ng spices para sa steak. This one, Beb. Good for your steak? Huh? You don't know?
Just have to wait.
What do you wait? I'll go. Okay, maghanap muna siya. Nasaan si Tita Mers? Where's si Holly? Where's Holly? With Tita Mers? Kulit naman to.
Mga biscuit yata dito. May timpang, may... Ayan, mga teddies.
Oh my God, Oreo.
Tamis kasi mo.
Shapes, okay. Make sure you eat that one, ha? Hindi na ako kumukuha niya kasi pinipili lang nila kung anong kuya. Why?
Oh, Vincent.
Look at that, Skippy.
I know, the Skippy. Masarap dito ang peanut
They're
butter.
mini ones, I think.
Nah, let's look normal.
Okay.
Ah, yeah, normal. Parang, Baba, ano Baba? You find your snacks now. Ito. Hello, yeah, this one. You don't like this? Oh, how about you, Sak? Oh, they don't like, my God. How about this one? I always buy this Holly at Kohl's.
They can't have the big fat.
You don't want, so what you gonna... You want that Tyron? Huh?
Yep.
Okay, go get one.
Protein bar.
Hindi nga, bawal nga ng nuts sa ano sa school,
No,
di
ikaw
ba?
ba?
Ah. Nasaan yung lollies?
Yeah, I like that one.
This one?
24.
Masarap siya.
Yeah, masarap yan manay. Kung try mo.
Okay, kuha din ako.
So, dun yung mga palaman. There.
Okay, get your Nutella here.
Where?
There. Come on. Nagustuhan mo? Gusto ko yung almonds niyan eh. Ayan o, masarap to kuya, Skippy. Peanut butter, ang laki. Tyron, peanut butter. No, ayaw ni Jan. Mas gusto niya pa rin yung sa Australian.
Australian.
So we will have it.
Ayan yung Lavotion na ano.
Favorite one, Mary biscuit.
Para naman yun na.
That's going on because it's $9 for a good one.
Sak, seaweed. Sak, seaweed.
I'll have seaweed.
Sarap yan sa kanin eh. O kaya,
Yeah, gustong-gusto nilang seaweed eh.
fried rice ko na ba?
Oo.
Yan.
Yan, gustong-gusto nila yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tapos yung bill mo, magugulat ka na lang.
No, wala na. Oh, no. Siya, 1,000.
This we have.
Okay. Kuha ko nito. Pistachio cream. Suka ko nitong pistachio. 2 kinuha ko.
Ayan, no? Lagyan mo kasi ng hotdog tsaka capsicum. Yan.
Ayaw nga nilang capsicum.
Hi,
Alam, puno na yung ating cart, sis.
O, diba?
Diba?
Tingin-tingin lang.
Akala ko oil lang yung kukunin natin dito, ha?
May pa-party pala sila, hindi ko alam. Ang dami naman.
Oy.
Ito na yung oil eh.
Nandito yung oil?
O, sa kabila.
Ay, doon, sa kabila. Nasaan? Dito? Kitchen.
Avocado. Uy, bukas wala pala, no? Yung
Wala.
bilhin na ulo.
Wala. Kaya nga. Wala siya ng toothpaste.
Is it 31?
32.
32.
33.
Okay, come on. This one. Oo, ito na.
Oh, sorry. And then, ano yung first line? Ano siya? Oh, olive oil. Oh, I want one too. Should I get one too?
No, I get no. Where's the other one? That's not avocado. Here, here's the avocado. Here. I want the bottle one. Oo. Diba? Hindi naman ako yung avocado oil. Ano siya? $29.99, 2 liter. No, parang $30, 2 liter na siya. Merong macadamia oil nasa nasa bote. Maganda sa nasa bote pero hindi na siya naka-bottle. Nasa pero dark pa naman. Naka-store pa naman siya sa dark. Ha?
Yung super mina noodles.
I think this one.
Alin yun? Okay.
Ayun na sila. Family. Oh, diba? They went already.
You went to the lollies already?
No, we walked past it.
You walk past. Only wants to go to the lorry section.
Big sauce.
No, they don't. No, that's avocado oil, hon. No, we don't use canola oil now. Where? Can you get me one?
You know, they walk past it already.
Because we don't go Costco all the time. This is maybe our first and last.
I need to go to the lower section first.
Okay, ayan na sis.
Tapos mag-ano na talaga ako nito.
Ay, bakit kailangan mo rice bran?
Yan ang pan-deep fry ko. You alright, yeah? Okay. Mag-line up na raw sila. Wala siyang almonds. Gusto ko almonds. Ang laki naman. Sobra talaga naman tong laki. What lollies? Oh, yan na lang para sa sa... Come on, Baba. Yeah, for school. Nah. This one.
Binibili ko sa box eh. Parang babak.
Oo.
That tower.
Nasaan na yung
Then
tawag?
where's that tower?
Sana.
Wait,
What?
we're nearly done.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Alright. Salted egg.
The smaller stuff. Do you have a box? Like a tray? Gusto mo order?
Okay, we're done. Yes, I got the receipt. Okay, we're going.
Ate, yung anak ko.
Hindi siya ganun ka ano.
Nakita yung mga...
Olive oil lang yung sabi pero isang batalyon na. Thank you. Mag-fit kaya to sa car namin. May luggage pa tayo ha. Ayan. Minamaneuver ni Jan ang paglagay kasi may tayo, di ba, luggage. Ako hindi ko yung bet yung what did you get? Beef jerky? Ayan yung current situation. Paano na yung luggage natin?
Magtapa ka na lang.
Sa top na lang. No joke. Ayusin pa yan. Nandun yung aking pamilya. Nandito ako kay Mers. See ya. Nakabalik na kami sa bahay nila Mers. And binabalang namin yung yung nabili sa Costco. Eto. Lagay ko muna ito sa ref. Kasi masisira yan. Si Sak, inubos niya na yung raspberry. Yung isa niyan. Inopen niya na yung yung seaweed.
Actually, yeah, it's not me.
Is it good? Oh, we can ask Tita Mers one day when she go to Costco.
Yeah.
Oh, Tita Mers, alam mo na.
Can I try that?
Oh! Organic pa.
Nice with rice, the kimchi fried rice.
It's nice. We should get two. Sarap na. Ayan si Jan. Mag-chair massage siya doon. Yung mga bata nandun sa labas. Ang sarap ng seaweed, guys. Ang dami. Sak, can I have some? Pa, please. Sak? May I have more? There's more, no? Ang dami na namin nakuha ni Mers. This one, that's one. Thank you. Tingnan mo yung isa, feel na feel niya, 45 minutes yan. Baka makatulog na siya dyan. Yung mga bata naglalaro sa labas with Tito Ben. Anong oras na ba? 6:01 na guys. Papunta dito sila Race. Dito kami mag-dinner. And nag-order na rin si Mers na Filipino food. Mag-Boodle fight kami. Tapos yung boys magpipizza. Nanonood sila ng Cars sa Disney. Ngayon dito sila. Meron silang ganyan. Si Tito Ben, nilabas yung mga balls. Hi, Right! Okay. Hindi ko naintindihan. Kuya TJ? Hoy, careful ah. Hoy, careful na. Hoy, kuya. The ball. Careful, okay? Kasi baka makapunta yan sa kabilang... Oh! Careful! Hoy, just be careful, you two, please. Riker, what they're doing, right? They're silly. Okay. A flower? Let me see. Ah, you're rich, eh? No, don't climb, Zach. Ito na naman. Riker, can I have that flower? Is that for me? Thank you. Huh? Hoy, Zach. Nakashoot. Zach, kuya, Zach. Stop it. Ito, rough ng dalawang to. Ay. Pasok na tayo. Ang rough ng dalawa. Hello, sis!
Kayo ka talaga ang traveler. Kayo ka talaga ang kumagdaan.
Hala, ang daming dalang pizza. Nandito na yung pizza.
Si Jom.
Hello. Hello. Oh, it's here.
Di ba? Ang gulo na. Ang gulo na agad. Sis! Give it to Harley! Ba?
I'm gonna give her one.
I think it's in the bag. Hi, Dad. Ah, yeah. Okay, later, baby. Si Kuya hanapin nyo. Ano po siya? Hinahanap niya. Nandun si Kuya sa pizza. Kuya, Sak, I told you. Ito may pagkaano. Makukutusan ko na ito eh. Oh, ayan na pala yung dinner ng boys. Pizza.
Oil.
Oo, ay, garlic bread. Hawaiian. This one looks good. Si indie girl, ayun, oh. Undiyan lang siya. Ayan yung food namin, ah. Boodle fight kami. Ayan na yung pa-boodle fight ni Zizi, ah. Mayroon tayong... Ano sabi mo dito? Pinili...
Gusto niya ito kabahaw kasi low carb. Pero gusto niya ito napakadami. So magiging high din yung carb niya.
Kasi sabi nila, ito sa kanila yung bawlo. Sabi ko, hindi, ito akin. Low carb. Tapos, ubusin mo rin. Hindi, high carb ka pa rin.
Magiging high. Kahit anong gawin, magiging high pa rin.
Kasi ang daming kinain na kanin.
I thank you, Inday.
Dito na pala ako pa-plato.
Ay, diyan ka na ba plato?
Joke lang, sis. Grabe ko naman. Tingnan natin kung kakayan. Grabe itong dalaw. Itong dalaw, grabe kayo. Ano ako, patay gutom?
Pwede na din.
Ay, grabe to sila, oy.
Panoorin niyo yung last time.
Ibang angle.
Iba-iba na angle life.
Kaya nga. Ano, ayaw yun ng low carb?
Ay, daw na
Bakit ang liit nung sa'yo, Day? Kasi
Wala yung charger.
wala yung sa'yo. Charger.
Yung maliit yung kinuha.
Pero meron ka, di ba?
Meron ako. Minsan naiinis kasi ako, sasabihin niya pa, oh, the battery is, bumabagal pag inopen mo. Di ba ganun sa'yo? And the battery percent is chuchu and then ito yung virgin.
Pero mabagal siya.
Yeah, mabagal nga.
Ano mabagal?
Mabagal mag-record. O dito pala, lahat ng angle.
Ayun, kuha.
Kuha pala bilihan. Sa inyo kayo hindi kuha.
Kaya na, nauna na.
You guys? Okay, talk to. Ito na pala yung aming food. So, nag-order kong sisig and mini boodle fry. Mamaya, magkasilapitan na yung mga anak namin yan.
Ito lang yung rice ko.
Yan yung kasama kasi sa sisig.
Sa sisig siya, hindi siya sa
Oo,
bowl.
hindi nga kasi sinabi kung main yan or ano. Di ba parang ganun yung last time?
Ano ka?
Raika, do you want... ito pala si Riker, guys. Ito, kumakain siya ng pizza. Pero syempre, mangingi din niya ng rice mamaya. Kain tayo.
Ba't may kutsara tayo, sis? Thank you. Gamitin na lang yan dito. Ate ni ay, Marco dito na lang po.
Kulang na yan. Sarap-sarap. Sa kanya daw yung bahaw ko kasi low carb daw yan. Pero ubusin yung isang mangkok. Salamat sa bahaw.
Naging high din yan.
Ito na may akin. Pero susunod. Kaya hindi tulog. Pero okay.
Balding pala kasi buti na lang pala dito sa bahay niyo kasi nga grand finals gusto yung panoorin nila.
Oo,
Dad.
Oh, sino properly baba? Ayan. Ay, may Nandos na rin na malapit dito sa amin dahil bukas. Oo. Sa Westlake Mall. So, ayan na yung malapit.
Wala sa inyo? Hindi ba sa amin? Wala ka ba?
Maski yun sa pinag-order. Sa bahay. Oo, sa bahay lang namin dati.
Yeah. Yung sa prospect, malapit sa inyo.
Yeah.
Hindi abot sa amin. Kasi ilang araw ka na rin nagsusushi, di ba?
Ah, nagsusushi ka? Sushi hub?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Ganun na, yun na lang. Malapit na ako.
Karen? Maybe later.
Maybe later. Thank you, Han. Yeah, ay yung tira na yun ba? At sarap. May banana leaf talaga siya. Nagpapit ko, parang ang dami nito.
Madami? Bakit sa amin din nagkasya ng tatlo? Yan din, in-order ko nung bago umalis si Ruby.
Tapos yung naghahanap pa kami ng mas malaki. Tapos sabi niya, junior, mas maliit yung
Mas maliit pala yung junior. Yan pala yun. Kasi sa, kung sa restaurant ka na, may mas malaki pa dyan. Boodle Park.
Masarap ba yung sushi? Masarap ba yung sushi?
Mahal ba?
And then the new kids are playing
Kaya ng mga bata.
Kaya nga.
Hindi pa nagutom ng maliliit eh.
Ang pasaway din si Saki.
Masarap yung kanin ko dito.
Mas masarap yung kanin mo. Mas masarap ko.
Oo na?
Yung cold brown. Pa kayo, ayaw niyo pala kasi. Oo, parang nakatigas nito. Hindi iba.
Ayoko yung kanin niya. Balik ko na lang. Tigas.
I reckon they're up to 5 now. If it's smart,
Huwag mo na lang papainin.
it's 5.
Matigas.
Iba. Parang hilaw. Ito. Kaya ito ito. Ay, tabain. Ang dami, no? Sismis ang group talaga. You can come back here for more.
Yeah, making alcohol. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. The two best liquors. You can hear why one mouthful big and the other, don't you?
Ay, dyan niya.
Saan sa Melbourne ba to?
Parang. Sydney, Bakit Sydney? Sydney. Ang Black Final, yeah. Melbourne. Oy, si Mers kumain din ng rice ko dito, yung aking low carbs. Tapos si Kuya naman, so busog na kami.
Talaga sinabi.
Diba? Disclaimer. Kasi, yes, of course you can. You can have rice there, Kuya.
yung mubos.
Go there. Akala niya, ilalagay mo yung rice sa kanyang plate.
Sorry ba?
Kuha siya ng rice si Kuya. Ang dami niya nakain ng pizza. Pero ayan, pancit. Favorite niya yan eh. Naiinis din ako kay John. Naiinis ako kay John. Kasi hindi pa ko inahag ni Arlo. Sino, tawa-tawa siya. Parang, Arlo! Can I have a kiss, Arlo? Kiss, Tita Manay! Si Arlo lang ang pag-asa. Arlo! Nag-ice cream na sila, guys. Arlo! Kiss, Tita Manay! Kiss tita Manay. Kiss tita. Oh, dumago po. Oh, walang daanan. Kiss tita Manon. Mwah! May tunog pa. Thank you, Dong.
Once you spread it,
I know, yeah.
choose like.
Sige.
She
She got a... Does he need not to change?
Sorry?
Does he need not to change? I can put it in here. Look at that baby, look.
I'm getting nothing changed.
Yeah, just see. Oh, you want the other one on the other side? You want to put it on? Okay, you can put it on. Here, baby, here. You do this. Okay, here's the mirror.
What's that, baby?
Wow, that looks pretty. Show Tito John. Show Tito John.
Bye, lighting mo po yun.
Tito John.
I'm just to say 10 minutes.
Tito yung Tito John.
Time goes by, time change too.
Anyari niyang di. Di, ano nangyari? Brain freeze yun, sis, hindi talaga siya makatulog. Uwi na sila. You look so pretty, Baba. Look, look, look. Where's Ate Oli? Maybe in the playroom. Come on. Hindi talaga dilat. Dilat siya. Dumating siya ditong tulog na tulog. Uwi siyang dilat na dilat. Diba? Bye.
See ya. See you, Dong. See you when I see you.
See you, Dad. See you. Hoy, see you in a few weeks.
Mamaya.
Hoy.
Zach. Come on, Ala. Let's go. Jack. Good boy.
So, sino ba yung nakabili?
Ala, say goodbye to Zachary.
Ah, Carla. Oh, wala.
Come, Zach.
Say bye.
Oh.
Ay, naghagdi.
Good girl. Alright, let's go.
Binabantayan yung bata.
Bye. Right, guys, come here. Walk them out.
Palis na nga. Biglang ganun. Lagay, no? Bye-bye na, ayun na. Oh, ito talaga si Johnny Boy. Dong, hindi pa ako nito nakis ni Dong. Dong, ako Dong. Dong, habang Tita Manay, Dong. Dong. Dong, kiss Tita Manay. See you. Uy.
See you.
Bye, see you. Ate, see you. Wait, hug. No. Oh, good night, guys. Ayan, tulog na. Naka-PJs na siya. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet seen our next vlog. Good night.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.